and this is the adventure of the small kitchen. I am now here at my mom's flat, so I was thinking of what I can do for cooking. So let's make some shrimp pesto pasta. Here is my ingredients: shrimp, which we will devein, a small piece of onion just for the taste, maybe 3 to 5 cloves of garlic, and since I have this one, I'll be using this for the pesto base. And we also need some parmesan for later, and some tin spaghetti. So I know that we don't usually use parmesan when you use pesto, but I love cheese. But first, coffee. So I have here a pot, and we put some water. Then we put some olive oil. Then we put some salt. We add in the spaghetti. And we wait for that to boil. While we are waiting for our pasta to boil, we will now take off the shells of the shrimp, or devein it until the tail. As what I've said before, your fishmonger can do this for you, but here in Egypt, it's not good, or I think anywhere in the country, it's not good to buy frozen products in the supermarket. What you're hearing is the laundry. I'm doing some laundry for myself because it's already piling up. After you have removed shell, we will now devein. We'll remove that backbone or back part of the shrimp. And just do it for the rest of the shrimp for a little, so that it will not stick to the bottom. You're going to time it maybe 12 to 14 minutes, and then you will remove it or turn off the heat so that your pasta will be al dente. Pasta is cooked. We drain this. We just run it with the cold water. And afterwards, I will be using mineral water. We put first our spaghetti in a container. Chop our dry ingredients into small cubes. Again, I'm not a chef, so don't judge me on how I cut my onions. This is for home cooking. So my phone died and I didn't show you how I mince my garlic. So this is how I mince my garlic. I just cut them into little pieces because when I eat it, or when I mix it and eat it with the pasta and the shrimp, I like still to taste the garlic inside and linger in my mouth, and afterwards Dracula or anybody else doesn't want to go near you because your mouth smells like garlic shit. So now what we're going to do, we will now cook our onion, garlic, and shrimp. And I forgot to tell you that we also include in the ingredients an olive oil for frying. I use this one. So we now heat our pan. So maybe we put 1 tablespoon olive oil. Wait for the pan to heat. Once our pan are ready, we now cook our onions. Cook first our onion. Just saute it and wait for it to become translucent. You can now mix your garlic. You know your garlic is ready when it's turning like beige or more yellowish. And then I will now add in our shrimp. Then this time we will now add in our pesto sauce. So that while it's heating, the sauce will now incorporate with the shrimp to make it more tasty. Need to get the other some heavy, since I don't have a heavy cream, I will put in some milk. We put in some pepper, but I will not put in any more salt. I will now put in the Parmesan cheese. Do you want to know what's simple but tastier? B-roll.
Something to buy, da ba da bug, yeah. Da ba da bum ba buy, da ba buy, da ba buy, yeah. Set the potato, da ba da da. Boy, yeah. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the